everyone. I'm really excited to give you a sneak peek into our new workbook, Defining Your Brand's USP, which is part of our 4-week standalone crash course on branding and marketing for natural perfumers. This crash course is also a bonus feature included with the Natural Perfume Academy CPD Certified Diploma course. So this workbook is designed to help you pinpoint exactly what makes your brand unique and how you can stand out in the niche natural perfumery market. As you can see, it is packed with practical exercises and real world examples and spaces for you to reflect on your own brand journey. We'll be tackling important questions like what makes your brand unique and why should customers choose you, using examples from my own experience and successful brands in the natural beauty space. The crash course is all about building a strong, unforgettable brand identity. So dive in and you can have a explore of this workbook, and I can't wait to see how you define your brand story within the course.